Man, look at this. It's 1:29, almost 1:30, December 11th. We're getting a pretty good blizzard here in Austin, Minnesota. You can just see the sign for our GM dealership. There, it's the dealership itself. See, their cars are taking on quite a lot of snow here. Seeing the snow, you can see how much is on the bushes of my apartment building and how much is on the cars. Culver's is over there behind this tree. Actually, that looks nice though. It's kind of got that stereotypical Christmas tree or winter pine tree look to it. Go on to my living room here. I think you can just barely see Culver's right there. Just barely see it. That's our fast food restaurant, of course. Well, there's very little visibility. I'll upload anything else if it changes.